Why the smart graft care is very important. Today is day 5. The patient have followed our instruction and he have done a good smart graft care. We can see today, day 5, all the microscap from the frontal, mid-scalp and the crown is already out. And it looks very clean. There's no any dislodgement, there's no any bleeding. This is the hairline here. This is the irregularity here. This is the forelock area. This is the frontal temple on the right side. This is the frontal temple on the left side. The angle and direction of the graft is according to what is the natural hair just behind here. The angle and direction is all matching with the hair at the parietal area here. The orientation of the slits here is sagittal. Only the single hair is put in the first 2 rows. Then behind we use the perpendicular or lateral slit to put the double and triple in. So the density here is a bit high density. We call it dense backing. As we're going to the mid scalp, we reduce the density so that we're able to reach to the crown. This is the mega session. 4,000 graft is already put. This is the anterior part of the scalp, the mid scalp and the crown. When we plant, we follow the direction of the hair. It's going about anti-clockwise 360 degrees.
Well, I follow exactly the instruction given to me by the Dr. Jazz and also the Glojaz clinic staff, and I am happy now with the result, even though I'm already on day 5.